Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. So, full disclosure, I came across this project because I found a video on the internet. Maybe much like you found this video on the internet. The video is linked below. I don't know this person. I don't know what they're about. I'm not endorsing them. If they're a murderer or something, don't at me. I'm just giving them their credit. So this starts off easy enough, and probably much more logical since it's in metric system. But I'm a dumb American, so we'll see how this goes. Spoiler alert, not great. We start off with some measurements that I'm sure are important if you're trying to recreate this one-to-one, but it seems like all the dimensions can be tweaked to fit your needs, bigger, smaller, whatever. Then we'll cut this into strips, and so far, it looks like I'm really competent and know what I'm doing. Look at how confident I am with all my steps. I think at this point, I'm probably forgetting who I am as a person, and that maybe everything I touch doesn't turn to shit. Anyway, we're left with these weird window blinds like strip things. We now cut off the first strip to leave this little tab, which confused me while I was watching the original video, but totally doesn't seem like a necessary step in hindsight. We then glue this whole thing to a smaller sheet, and right about this time is when I start to realize I may have used way too heavy of a paper for this. I'm also now skeptical of the colors I chose. Things start to get hairy here as I try to wrestle this thing into place and glue it down. I'm panicking. The ship is going down. There is no turning back. Okay, it's finally taped down. Sorta. Not sure what I did wrong, but I came up short. Sorry. Let's be real. I can change that sentence to make it way more accurate. Here, let me give it another try. Not sure what I did wrong here, but I came up onion. This is not a pumpkin. This is an onion. So if anyone needs to know how to make an onion for Halloween, this is the video you've been looking for. Behold, the great Halloween jack-o'-lunion. I'm sorry I'm like this. I told you I would fuck this up. Roll the thing.